Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. Before we get started in today's video, don't forget to join our free Facebook community, get real answers to real credit questions, learn from some of the experts in our industry, as well as from other people that are in similar situations that are taking advantage of the free content, improving their credit and making their credit situation better. Hope to see you guys on the inside.
Hey guys, it's Michael with the Credit Agents, and on this episode of the Credit Agents Show, we are going to be talking about how you can identify the difference between a legitimate and an illegitimate credit repair service. So, when choosing a credit repair company, you want to make sure of these few things. Number one is that they're established. You want to make sure they have a proven track record with previous clients, because often when we get clients ourselves, we hear about horror stories from these kind of credit fly overnight type services where they claim to get credit done overnight. If it's too good to be true, it probably isn't. So make sure they're established with that proven track record. And number two, you want to make sure they are licensed and bonded in the state that they're operating in. And the credit agents are actually licensed and bonded in the state of Texas itself. And you can actually find us and search all of this up with the provided link for us. Number three is you want to make sure that credit repair service does not charge their entire fee upfront. And in fact, this is actually illegal. It explicitly states, and I quote, in the Credit Repair Organizations Act, no credit repair organization may charge or receive any money or other valuable consideration for the performance of any service which the credit repair organization has agreed to perform for any consumer before such service is fully performed. So if they charge the entire fee up front, you're probably going to want to keep looking. Number four, you want to make sure they don't mention credit sweeps. Credit sweeps are actually the illegal act of filing fraudulent police reports to wipe out the majority of your credit report claiming identity theft. Your financial life should not be played with. So this is a huge red flag you want to look out for. Number five, you want to make sure they have a real website and phone number. And when you call or talk, you're actually getting into contact with a real person, having that real human connection. It is very important to be able to make that connection because it is your financial life. It is important to you. And we here at the Credit Agents take that very seriously. So if you would like to sign up for one of our free 15-minute consultations, you can go to our website at www.creditagents.com. So do your due diligence and pick the right company for you. And we here at the Credit Agents believe we can be that right company. And you can get a free 15-minute consultation available on our website at www.creditagents.com. My name is Michael, and you have been watching The Credit Agent Show. Thank you so much for tuning in.